TruMax stationary pump SP100.18.186D, using unique technology, combines high output and high pressure with the same setup. Outstanding features of the pumps include high-pressure S-valve, powerful engine, well-known brand of oil tubes and rugged delivery cylinders. Electric control system can ensure perfect control performance. Equipped with wired remote, it is convenient to operate and maintain. It is ideal for long-distance pumping in high-rises buildings, urban and rural buildings, highways, water conservancy, bridges, and other civil construction.